Good morning, fourth grade. This week in spelling, your generalization is about the sound that schwa makes. And in many words, the vowel sound gives no clue to its spelling. For instance, science, iron, and Canada, the vowel sound is a ah sound. For instance, stomach, memory, Canada have vowels that make an ah sound. Now, your job is to sort the words according to how they are spelled this week. It says sort the list words by the letter that stands for the ah sound. So, for instance, stomach, ek will go here. I will send an email of the sort at the end of today. This is kind of a tricky one, but listen to or try to figure out the vowel that doesn't make the sound and figure out how it's spelled, and that's the letter it will go under. Now, our spelling this week is in conjunctions. Conjunctions are connecting words such as and, but, and or, and they can be used to join words, phrases, and sentences. It says use and to add information or to join related ideas. Pam and Ann lived with them. Use but to join different ideas. For example, he was gentle but strong-minded. Use or to suggest a choice. Sometimes you have to fight or give in. Conjunctions also make compound subjects, compound predicates, and compound sentences. There is a comma before the conjunction in a compound sentence. That's when we're joining two full sentences together. Now, the first example is a compound subject. Martin and his brother. Those are compound subjects, no comma needed. Martin and his brother were younger than Christine. Our next example is a compound predicate. They lived and played on Auburn Avenue. Again, no comma needed, compound verbs or predicates. Now the last one is an example of a compound sentence. Martin had many difficulties, but he worked to make his dream come true. Now, note where the comma is. It's before the conjunction. We know we need a comma because if we read before the comma, Martin had many difficulties, it's a sentence that can stand on its own. And if we read after the conjunction, he worked to make his dreams come true, that is also a sentence that can stand on its own. In 1 through 3, it says write the conjunction in each sentence on the line. In 4 and 5, it says use the conjunctions and, but, or to join each pair of sentences. Write the new sentences. Remember to add a comma. So if you're joining two complete sentences, you have to use a comma before the conjunction. I will send up the key over an email later this afternoon. Thank you.